All right, done. 1, 2, 3. Start here. Welcome. We have today an amazing personality with us, Simran Agarwal ji. Simran ji is an RJ, an anchor, TV host, and a program executive and an actress. Let us know what made her choosing this career and how she is impacting the lives of the audience through her amazing, energetic anchoring in corporate events. Welcome to the show, Simran ji. पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा, आपने अपना जो करियर है ये शुरू किया दूरदर्शन के साथ, आप बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स में आप काम कर चुकी हैं. नंबर्स मैं चाहूँगा आप भी बताएं हमारे ऑडियंस को. प्लीज़ टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग.
Right. I started my journey as a TV anchor with TV channel. I used to anchor highly auditions, Ada and the Big Brother.
Great.
And after that, I joined another channel which was TV National TV. I used to anchor different shows, Patrika, Mediban, Twitter, completely different. Then I joined another channel which was Sadhana TV, then Space TV. A lot of channels I've worked for. Apart from this, C Jagran and News 24. On News 24, I used to do Tarjat Country, which were also very highly appreciated. Not only this, I'm also a RJ famous radio jockey on 100.1 FM Gold, which is a part of All India Radio, and Gold is very famous.
It's a very famous channel.
Very famous. And apart from this, I'm also in this industry of the music industry.
Yes, I would like to ask you about that because today we are in an event in Delhi and you are addressing, you have taken this anchorship and MC-ship of this amazing event being organized by a company called JP Pharma for the doctors, for the awareness of the national consensus on dyslipidemia in women, right? So what, kind of events you have been doing this thing, what kind of corporates you have done in the past or been associated with?
I have done a lot of corporates, not really small corporates, but I have also done many shows for ministries. I'm associated with a lot of ministries, with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, NCSC, then Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, NHAI, IHMCS, a lot of ministries I'm associated with. And recently I'm going to anchor for Ministry of Health and Welfare on 15th, coming 15th. I have also anchored for the President of India, Draupadi Murmu ji, and it was a big achievement of mine.
That's wonderful.
So I think that the journey started from TV, radio,
fabulous journey.
and then got the chance to anchor for the President of India, which is really a big
really
opportunity.
awesome.
So I must say it was an amazing.
Wonderful. So what message you would like to give to the budding anchors or the aspiring anchors or students? They are just clueless. What should they do really? We have chance to grow big in this vocal, this eloquence speaking, opportunities of career.
I must say that all those who are looking for a career in this industry should go for it. It is amazing, beautiful. The only thing that you require is the confidence, which is must. Second thing, the way you speak, how you portray yourself, the confidence that you have. And it is not important to have good looks. Generally, people think that we are smart, we are beautiful, attractive, handsome, XYZ.
The beauty is in the voice and the communication, not in the facial.
Exactly. Beauty comes once when you start speaking, the way you express yourself. Nobody sees your face, everybody listens to you, what you're speaking, they listen to the words, and then that is your beauty. So I must say all those who are looking for a career in this field should not focus on their face. Of course, you should be presentable, but it is not important to be beautiful, it is important to be presentable, and also important how to present the face.
Wonderful. So I would like to summarize this thing of what being in the same field for many years now. So what Simran ji is stressing upon is basically not focusing singly on your looking or appearance. That is also important, but lesser than. But the bigger one, the bigger part, the major or critical part of an anchor or a person into speaking or like MC-ship, that is your way to say the things. Your communication style, the clarity, the vocal communication, the language, the command over language, right? Right. Because it seems, amazing. And what is the number of shows you have hosted, by the way? Please let us know our...
almost 20,000 shows.
20,000 shows he has hosted in last 20 years. That's an amazing feat. So if you are a corporate or a person going for a big event or an event management company, you can get in touch. You can get in touch with Simranji for an amazing, energetic anchorship or the MC role from by an experienced, seasoned speaker, a very presentable anchor. Thank you very
so
much, Simranji, for coming to the show as well as sharing your journey and inspiring words for the youngest. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I will take the